I am Dr. S. Mishra. I am a dental surgeon and I welcome you all to my channel Now Ask the Doctor. Today is 25th February 2021. So, when the graph of the coronavirus cases is going down, the mutant variants of the virus are causing a new surge in COVID 19 cases. Now, beside the UK, South African, Brazilian mutant variants, a mutation named N440K with high frequency in Andhra Pradesh in India is also becoming a major source of concern. Now today in this video, we will discuss about the characteristic features of the new Indian mutant COVID-19 strains. Now, what is mutation? So mutation basically means a change or an alteration or an evolution. So mutation is basically an adaptive feature of the virus. So as human beings are constantly developing new medicines, new vaccines, new methods to defeat the virus meanwhile is not sitting quietly. It is also improving its structure constantly so that it can thrive better. So there is a constant war going between the virus and human beings. Now, some of these spike mutations recently identified that are of concern include the N439K, N440K, Q493K, and E484K. These new mutant coronavirus strains are more contagious, they are more infectious, and are capable of causing reinfection. And I will explain why they behave so. So, why they are more contagious, more transmissible, and more infectious? It is because these new mutant strains get easy entry into the human host cell. And why they get easy entry into the human host cell? It is due to mutation. Now, there are spike like projections on the outer surface of the coronavirus. And the virus uses these spike like projections for binding to the human host cell. So, the spike protein is used by the virus to enter the human cells via the angiotensin converting enzyme 2 receptor. Thus, spike mutations can potentially facilitate better affinity or binding and enable easier entry into the human host cell. The second distinguishing characteristic feature of this new mutant strains is the capability of doing reinfection. So, India's fight against the coronavirus may get tougher with the latest challenge of the new COVID 19 strains emerging across the country. So, these mutations are believed to be immune escape, which means even if there are antibodies in the human body, they can save, the virus can save themselves from these antibodies. So, this is a dangerous thing. Now, antibodies are protective molecules formed in our body which protect us from the coronavirus infection. Now, antibodies are formed either after a previous coronavirus infection or after vaccination. So, even if there are neutralizing antibodies in the human body, the particular mutation escapes or saves itself from these antibodies. Hence, they are resistant to neutralization by host antibodies, and that's why there is a chance of reinfection, and also a question whether these vaccines will work against these new mutant strains or not. So, the presence of faster spreading variants and transmissible mutations bring fears that the current vaccines, which are hoped for billions across the world, may not work as well. So, this whole territory is very much new. And so, the researchers and the scientists are working day and night to test whether the vaccines are efficient against the mutant strains or not. Now, let's hope and pray for the best. So, those who are thinking that the pandemic is over and showing a super casual attitude by not wearing a mask at all, or by wearing a mask but not in an appropriate way, are making a huge mistake. And also, those who are complaining that they feel suffocating while wearing a mask, please think about the doctors. If they can walk for more than 8 hours a day by wearing a double mask, then why can't you? Now, why I am putting so much emphasis on mask wearing? Because only a proper mask worn in a proper way can protect you from COVID 19 infection. Along with it, follow a proper hand hygiene. Avoid unnecessary gatherings. See, social distancing is practically very difficult to follow in India, but if possible, please follow. If you feel uneasy while wearing a mask, you can remove the mask for few seconds, but always away from people and away from crowd. And also, before and after touching the mask, always sanitize your hands if hand washing option is not available. That's all for today. And if you think I can contribute something positive in your life, if you find my video helpful and informative, then please share it with your near ones, hit the like button, and also please subscribe to my channel for more health related videos. So thank you, stay healthy and stay happy.